was holding, I forgive what hurt my name. I believe your gentle mercy can make new what grief became.